What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just received a package from Ciro. I did a little something a little different. So what we got here is the bolt caps to all the engine screws. We got Ciro fluted bolt caps, one kit. There's the model number and the part number from Ciro in case you want them. We're gonna be doing installation on this. All right, and then I also got this is like I guess this is like a chrome piece for the shift lever. See that? We're gonna be doing that also as well. Cover shift linkage chrome. There's the part number. Alright, guys, I'm gonna unravel these and then gonna install them. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a before and after so you can see how it looks. Alright, what we're focusing on right now is this part right here is about to get chromed out. All right, and then we also got the bolts. What I was talking about is for all these right there on the side. All right, so it's about to get changed up, and then I'll show you a before and after. Okay, this is the other side. Like I said, we're about to change these bolts. I'm gonna put bolts chrome from Ciro all around this area. Every single one you see there, about to get covered up. Showing you a before and after. Okay, so this we're gonna show you how to do it. You just focus in on that. All you gotta do is just press it, give it a little nub, make sure it clicks. That's all you gotta do. Yeah. Then you take some more. Got a box full. All you gotta do is just keep on pushing it in there. There you go. Just to be on the safe side, I would take like something rubberish. I don't have a rubber mallet, so you can actually use this. Just push it in there. See that? It'll click. Make sure you use that so you can this will go with anyone. You could use chrome. They even sell black. All right, there you go. So this is how it would look with the chrome spikes. Well, I'm gonna get to the other side and we'll do the other side. All right, guys, I just finished installing the little lug nuts spikes. Show you how it came out. Real nice, gives it a nice clean look. I tell you, this these ones back here, they're pretty tough, so make sure you get some long there so you can get in there. Got some down there as well, and some right there as well. They look great. I mean, gives it a nice clean look. See, as far as right there as well, you see for the top of the engine, come out real nice. Let me show you around the back on the other side. See that? And then some of them you're not going to be able to fit in the engine one, like that one back right here. You can't fit all of them. So what I did was I actually fit 2 of them right in here. So if you have an extra 2, just put it right there, and it should work out well. Otherwise, it gives it a real nice clean look. All right, guys, sorry about that, but that chrome piece that goes right here, it wind up being not for my bike. So I'm not going to be installing it. I have to actually return it to Ciro and get my money back. I didn't read the instructions right on that, the fitment, so make sure you read the fitment on the stuff that you buy, because if you don't, then you're gonna wind up returning it. All right, so just gonna stay stock like that for now. All right, guys, until next time, talk to you soon. Peace out.